Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be making an air fryer recipe. This book right here was found at Barnes & Noble for $10. So today I'm going to be making some kale chips. So it makes 6 servings. It also is under 5 ingredients. It's also vegan friendly. So with these kale chips, you just want to make sure that you have the ingredients and then just a couple minutes of your time. Also, make sure you have an air fryer if you would like to complete this recipe. If you don't have an air fryer, comment down below what do you think about possibly getting one eventually to make some things in your air fryer. So first things first, in order to make these kale chips, which is going to be very, very quick, you're just going to rinse off your bunch of kale and then just go ahead and start to take the paper wrapping off so that you're able to cut these. You're also going to take a paper towel and dry them off after you have washed them. You also just want to make sure that you pat them dry really, really good. And then from there, you'll see what happens next. So for this recipe, you need 1 large bunch of kale, so about 1 pound. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So as I mentioned before, you're going to wash your kale and pat it dry with paper towels. Remove the center ribs and stems, discard them, and then you'll cut the leaves into 2 to 3 inch wide pieces. So in a large bowl, that's where you're going to put your pieces that you've cut. You're going to put them into this large bowl that's going to get ready to have your kale leaves, your oil, your garlic powder, your salt, and your pepper. So in this bowl right here, I need to go ahead and just make sure that they're fully dry. And then also I want to make sure that I've cut enough pieces for just myself and the kids to try today. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the things that you see here: olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Like I said, guys, this is a great under 5 ingredient meal, snack, side dish, whatever you want to call it. Definitely go ahead and add in your garlic powder, your salt, your pepper, and your olive oil, and then you're just going to toss it and combine all of this stuff together. And you're just going to make sure that you coat it really well with the items that are being added. In the meantime, you can go ahead and have your air fryer on and ready on 390 degrees Fahrenheit. That way, when you put your kale chips in, they are starting to cook. So you all have the option to use an air fryer liner, or you can choose to not. It just depends on if you feel like cleaning up the mess. So you're going to cook this in batches for 3 to 4 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned and the leaves are crisp. You'll just let them cool completely, and then you can store it in an airtight container. Thanks guys so much for watching me make these kale chips. I hope that it has inspired you to try and make them yourself. I've never eaten kale before until today, and I can honestly say that I really enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below what you think, and definitely be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Thanks.